The aftermath. I went up somewhere I ain't never went before, and I'm back up in here. Whole big ass tree right here. Big motherfucker. Big motherfucker. Christmas tree even fell on the motherfuckers. What the fuck? We finna do this shit. Let's figure this shit out. Who done pissed Mother Nature and the Lord off? What the fuck? Where I'm at? Oh, I'm in a. Ooh, that was a hell of a shortcut. Around that corner, that motherfucking tree. Oh, look. Oh, that ain't shit. Little shit. It's fucked up. There's shit everywhere though. Motherfucking swimming pool right here and shit and blew down the street on the air. What the fuck? Yeah, let's go see. How can I pause? Oh shit, I see some fucking fucked up shit down the street. A big ass tree. Look at this shit. Hey, whoever you are, I don't give a fuck. Big ass tree, I don't see it. Look at this shit. Big fat motherfucker. 2 of them. Damn. Hey, how you doing? Oh shit, damn, there's some shit down there. Hold up, pause. Shit. Alright, here we go. Let's go check this out. Damn, ooh, I might not be able to get all around this bitch. Alright, hold on. Trees and shit. Damn, garbage cans. Oh no, I'm gonna have to turn the fuck back around. Damn. Oh shit. Oh, this tree is. Oh dog, it's messed up. You can't even get. Oh, somebody's shit got fucked up. Let me put my phone down, cause these bitches. Oh shit, it's fucked up down here, y'all. I don't even know how I'm going. They looking at me like, what the fuck you doing? This is blocked. Let me turn around. Hey, sorry. Hey, damn, this shit fucked up. Oh, look at this shit. Oh, damn it. Let me get away from here. Fuck. Hold the fuck up. Pause.